7 plants that repel bugs and mosquitoes. After an especially cold winter and rainy spring, warmer weather feels like a special and well-deserved treat. Being able to spend time outside without a hat or a jacket? A dream. That said, one not so lovable part of the warmer temps is the return of bugs, particularly mosquitoes. Most people, myself included, will go to great lengths to fend them off to enjoy the sunshine and peace. There are several topical mosquito repellents like these ones you can buy on Amazon, as well as natural sprays and oils to keep them at bay. For an extra level of protection, surround yourself and your yard with these plants that may help repel bugs and mosquitoes.
Number 7.
Citronella. This may not be a surprise considering citronella is a popular ingredient for natural mosquito repellents, patio candles and more. But you might not know that citronella is a grass that you can plant in your yard. Most citronella products are made with the fragrant oil the plant expels. According to a 2023 study in Molecules, topical citronella products only last for about 1 to 3 hours since the oils evaporate quickly, so having plants around is a little extra insurance against biting pests. Citronella grass can grow up to 6 feet tall and 6 feet wide, so be sure to space them accordingly. The grass also prefers filtered sunlight, think, in the sun but with a tree overhead, and frequent watering.
Number 6.
Lavender. The aroma of lavender helps deter mosquitoes, and research shows that lavender essential oils repel most species for 6 to 8 hours, according to a 2019 review in Malaria Journal. If you grow the fragrant plant on the grounds around your house, it can also attract helpful pollinators to create a profusion of purple flowers. According to Utah State University Extension, lavender should be planted about 18-24 inches apart to allow them space to grow, and they thrive in direct sunlight. Water the plants once or twice per week, depending on the dryness of the soil and maturity of the plant.
Number 5.
Marigolds. While they might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to mosquito repellent, marigolds have several insecticidal components, per a 2020 study in PLOS One, making them beloved by gardeners and landscapers. Similar to other insect-repelling plants, the scent from the marigold flowers can help keep bugs at bay. Plus, this plant doesn't take up much space, is relatively low maintenance and produces beautiful, colorful flowers all summer long.
Number 4.
Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are vining edible flowers with attractive circular leaves and colorful petals. Unlike other plants that repel pests, nasturtiums attract them to draw them away from your other plants, or from you. If you have a garden, nasturtiums are helpful for protecting cucumbers, tomatoes, squash and more from common pests like aphids, beetles and flies. This relationship is called companion planting, and while research is inconclusive about its effectiveness, there is mounting evidence in favor of it, according to a 2018 review in Insects. Nasturtiums can trail throughout open space in the garden, so be sure to plant them at least 10 to 12 inches apart, per the University of Wisconsin Extension. They thrive in areas with 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Plus, their gorgeous flowers are totally edible and can give your salad an aesthetic upgrade.
Number 3.
Rosemary. Along with being a delectable and versatile herb, Rosemary leaf contains oils that have been shown to be an effective mosquito repellent, according to a 2021 study in the Journal of Physics. Rosemary is easy to grow and is popular with home growers. It can thrive in a garden, a window box, or even as part of your landscape. Plus, having a rosemary plant around makes it easy and convenient to include fresh herbs in your recipes.
Number 2.
Basil. Beyond its aroma, according to a 2020 study in the Journal of Physics, basil leaves have compounds that can kill mosquito larvae before they hatch, which might help reduce the number of mosquitoes in your yard. Basil plants can also help attract pollinators to help your yard and garden thrive, and their leaves make a delicious pesto. Basil is one of the easiest herbs to grow and is a staple of summertime, so save a spot for it in your yard.
Please subscribe the channel for more interesting and informative videos.
Number 1.
Mint. Mint is yet another fragrant herb that has pest-fighting properties. According to the Cornell Cooperative Extension, menthol, the active insect-fighting ingredient in mint and peppermint oil, has biocidal properties that help repel and control mites, mosquitoes and various other pests. It grows like a weed, no pun intended, and is a perfect plant for beginners. If you don't want it to spread all over your garden, make sure to grow it in its own pot. Once it's thriving, you can use mint leaves for a variety of dishes, like in our lemon, cucumber and mint-infused water and cilantro mint chutney.
Thanks for watching.